hope you're doing great. I wholeheartedly invite you in this video. Guys, I'm here to give you reliable information on the Walmart drive-in com. So guys, stay connected with me, watch the video till the end and like and subscribe to our channel. Guys, a simple question for you. Do you want to watch movies and that too in a superstore? I think that will be a magic for you. But this can be a reality. Yes guys, as per the latest reports, Walmart announces the free drive-in movies. The renowned Tribeca Film Festival parent company has paired with the Walmart to offer pandemic weary American series of free drive-in movies. As for the event, the pop-up event is touring the country and visiting 160 Walmart Supercenter locations. You can easily find your locations. The time of the gates will be open at 6 p.m. and the film begins at 7:30 p.m. No entry will be allowed. You have to visit it early. Late entry is prohibited. The cost of the tickets are free, but the people are requested in advance to get their seat. Number of parking is available, but you have to see the event and you have to book your parking too. The movie is secure and safe and the guests will remain in their vehicles and the parking spaces will be socially distanced. In the event AD accessible, if you requires AD accommodations, let us know the Walmart before. For further information about the Walmart events, you can easily go on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and sign up the weekly newspaper here. If you talk about the movies coming to Walmart drive-in near the location will be Wonder Woman, Spider-Man TM, Spy Kids, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, Ghostbusters, Space Jam, Friday Night Lights, The Wizard of Oz. You can easily enjoy the American series, that too low cost and free of cost basically. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe our channel as it will motivate us to do better and to give you better information. So guys, talks about what to bring. You can easily carry your radio. An FM radio is required for the audio. Family, as many people as you have seat belts in your car. Mask is required by everyone when outside of your vehicle. Alcohol is not at all allowed. It is prohibited. For seat, everyone safety is there. Please stay at your cars. Vehicle, one car per ticket and you have to have your vehicle too. You can easily find your local Walmart drive-in by searching easily. Guys, after this, you can easily contact them on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and read out their privacy policies. So guys, if we talked about the movie is all blockbuster movies are there. You will going to enjoy that. Before going ahead guys, I wanted to tell you about the press release. As per the press release, many celebrities will mark their presence on the screening. Barrymore will host the event virtually as the pandemic is going on. The virtual event will going to take place as per the research. Christy Metz, Pat Burger and Jennifer Garner will attend the launch and there can be a surprise entry as per the research. The movie will start by 7:30 p.m. The tickets are free of cost and advance booking is there. Alcohol is not available. So guys, book your tickets on August 14, 2020, Linden, Pennis Park, Olythal and Houston. For better, you can search it in the location part. Guys, as for the movie is concerned, the movie is of 2 hours 21 minutes, 1 hour 57 minutes, 1 hour 28 minutes, 1 hour 42 minutes and 1 hour 58 minutes. That is of American series is available. If we talk about the event, you're invited to an amazing drive-in family movie tour. You can find the location below and sign up for tickets easily. So guys, if you wanted to see the movie and that too in a superstore in your car, you can easily go there, book the tickets, mark the date. And guys, if you like the information and you find that it will help you going to out in future, then do hit the like button, do share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead.